What's up, guys? Ready for the next video? Because I sure as hell am. It's been a few weeks and whew.
Make the good times roll. No, I ain't got nothing but a bag of green, 2 pairs of shoes in my bag for me. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Don't that feel real funky, y'all?
Gotten a decent amount done. We have ported the oil pump. I am going to refrain from shimming it. I'll give you guys a little example. Also, what we're doing today is notching the block for the rods. Just some simple stuff. If you have any type of Dremel or carbide bit laying around or whatnot, it's pretty easy to do. Well, maybe getting these screws out might be kind of tough for you guys if you don't have one of these swoop-D impact screwdrivers. But thankfully my pops has one. Just a little bit of touch up, just a little here and there. Will it do much? Probably not. Will it do something? Sure, I'd like to think so. I'd rather be safer than sorry, being as I had this whole motor taken apart, and might as well try and do every little thing that's gonna help me out. So just got the pistons done. Had to clean them up a little bit because I did buy these Eagle H-beam rods and Arius forged pistons used for 400 bucks. Talk about a steal. But just got the new rings on, got the new bearings in, got the new rod bolts here, checked the bearing or the ring gap. That's all good to go. And now I'm gonna work on the block here. We've got the block notched, if you guys can see. And now I'm about to get the Z6 crank out. Make sure that's cleaned. Oh, maybe I should tighten this engine stand. Okay. Go.
And that goes a little something like this. Here we go. I ain't got nothing but a little song, a little tune to play. Make the good times roll. No, I ain't got nothing but a bag of green, 2 dancing shoes, and my friends with me. Well, I ain't got nothing but a little song, a little tune to play. Make the good times roll. No, I ain't got nothing but a bag of green, 2 dancing shoes, and my friends with me. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Don't that feel real funky, y'all?
Getting this girdle notched, and man, it's a little bit more material to remove compared to the ooh, nice Porsche. Oh. Anyway, it's a little bit more material to remove compared to the block, but getting some good progress done. You can't see here, it's kind of a before. I hit it a little bit, just letting the cutter cool down a smidge, letting the air compressor fill back up. But I almost have them all done, and I get to go home, put it in the motor, and hopefully get this oil pan today. We'll see though. See how much time I have once I'm done with this, and if my hands want to do it, because this is it's a little strenuous.
And that goes a little something like this. Here we go. I ain't got nothing but a little song, a little tune to play. Make the good times roll. No, I ain't got nothing but a bag of green, 2 dancing shoes, and my friends with me. Well, I ain't got nothing but a
definitely got the head studs tight. It was quite nerve-wracking, I'm not gonna lie. You could feel the torque to yield. You can like really feel it stretch. It was suspenseful. It was good. So now we got the head torqued. Everything's all timed up. We're gonna double check it here in a second. Cleaning out the spark plug tubes, making sure there's no debris. Those spark plugs have been in there for a while and it's been through a wash, so those are fun to get out. It was fine. So now that the head's torqued on, we're gonna put the valve cover on, check the lash, get everything buttoned up, and then tomorrow start on the fab that we need to do for the car and get the exhaust done. And then it's pretty much time to put the motor in.
Do this, but I think I'm gonna need a little help. Is that all right? Yeah. And that goes a little something like